Good afternoon traders, it's Simon at Chaos Capital Markets. Today's video is about a trade I'm looking at to take hopefully by the end of the week, but we're going to break it down bit by bit from the monthly down to even to the 4-hour chart, and to show exactly how I look at trades, how I plan things for the future. So this is all about planning. So the trade in mind is the AU200 index. It's the stock market index here. So I'm going to start from the monthly first of all. Just note very quickly, we've got bearish MACD divergence. Just enlarge that for a little bit so you can see it is bearish there. With RSI sitting at 100 and just breaking down now. We also have a double top pattern at a nice key level there. And we had a reversal candle there, and we're now breaking down to the downside on this monthly to finish now. Also note the next key level on the monthly is 5600, which is also Fibonacci 382 pullback. And also notice this 50 EMA upward sloping trend line. These are for the targets here. So my first soft target would be 5600. Ultimately, I'd like to come down to this upward sloping trend line of around about 5.4, which is the 618 retracement on the monthly chart. So what does the weekly give us now? The weekly doesn't give us the MACD or the RSI at the moment, so we are waiting for a pullback. But what it does, though, it does highlight this double top pattern quite nicely, and also the key level we have there. Also note now we've actually broke this upward sloping trend line, and you could say you actually have a wedge forming there as well, which is a nice bearish pattern. And like I said, nice clean break to the downside there. Also notice here the weekly 50 is at 5600, so people will be targeting this area if this trade does happen to the short side, to around this area here at 5600. So now what we're waiting for is a confirmation on the daily chart, and this is what we've got so far on the daily. Again, we've got bearish MACD divergence on the daily chart, which is quite nice. And here, this level here at 5800 would create its first lower high, and a nice beautiful 382 Fibonacci pullback, that area there. So what I'm looking for now really for this trade to actually be activated and for me to take this short is I'm looking for some deceleration now and reversal candles along that key level, along the daily 50 and everything in between there. Now when we pop down to the 4-hour chart, we're also going to have the 4-hour 50 at the 5.8 area roughly. We're going to generate a nice lower high here, and again, even with this, you've got a nice Fibonacci pullback there of 0.5 to 0.618. So all the charts here are lining up quite nicely. We just need to wait for that to happen. Now going back for targets, if you're going for the 5600, it's a 4% trade, quite nice there, a guesstimate. I mean, we might get a better stop placement than that, you never know, a better entry point, we never know there. But if you're going for the 5.4 area, 5.420, it's a 9.2% trade at some point. So what I'm looking for here, that's what I'm quite literally looking for. I want it to be confirmed on the daily as a lower high. So where this circle is here, probably a little bit further to the left there. Let it test that 50 EMA. It may test the upward sloping trend line, but as long as it shuts closed below the 5800 area, I'll be very happy to enter there and take it short down to the 5600 area. Just note there is one small area of resistance, support resistance, and that's here at 57 pretty much 00, but it's not major. It doesn't show up too much on the weekly. It's only going to be the daily chart there, so people may, although it has in the past reacted, I'm pretty sure we're going to break through it and come back up and test again. So you may be able to get 2 positions on this trade if it does that. Guys, that's it for this week for the moment, and I will speak to you soon. Take care, guys. Thank you.